Hello friends, welcome to Quick Revision Point. My name is Raksha Srivastava. Friend, today we are discussing important question of English pedagogy. So let's start first question. Reading between the lines as a sub skills of reading mainly involves first understanding the state's facts, second giving sufficient space between line, third inferring the unstates using the conceptual and verbal clause, and fourth identifying the grammatical item. Friend, reading between the lines as a sub skills of reading mainly involve third will be right answer ki inferring the unstates using the contextual and verbal clause. Okay, next question. Best learned Language skills are best learned first only through written tests and assignments, b when they are taught in an integrated manner, third with the help of challenging and mechanical language drills, and four when they are introduced in isolation one skills at a time. So friend, right answer is language skills are best learned. Second will be correct answer when they are taught in an integrated manner. Okay, next question देखेंगे. When young learner are asked to read a text silently, they should be instructed first to stop reading whenever they encounter difficult word or phrase. Second, to infer the meaning of new words from the context and read with comprehension. Third, to pay special attention to grammar items used in the passage. And fourth, to read fact even if they don't comprehend the meaning. To find right answer is second will be correct answer to infer the meanings of new words from the context and read with comprehension. Okay, next question. Correct speech habit can be developed most effectively through first pronunciation practice, second vocabulary practice, third quiz, and fourth dictions. Friend, correct speech habit can be developed more effectively through. So right answer is friend first will be correct answer pronunciation practice. Okay, next question. A teacher uses a report from a newspaper to teach writing. The material used thus for teaching is referred to as first authentic material, second external material, third realistic material, and fourth natural material. So friend, right answer is second external material. Okay, next question. Prediction as a sub skill is associated with first reading, second drafting, third summarizing, and fourth note making. Friend, prediction as a sub skill is associated with correct answer is first reading. Okay, next question. If the piece of writing is brief, complete in the third person without digression and emotional overtones and logically arranged, it is a first classified advertisement, second memorandum, third reports, and fourth newspaper article. So friend, if the piece of writing is brief, complete in the third person without digressions and emotional overtones and logically arranged, right answer is friend report. थर्ड विल बी राइट आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नोट कैन बी मेड यूजिंग अ फ्लो चार्ट और अ वेब डायग्राम. द स्टडी स्किल्स इन्वॉल्व इज नोट्स कैन बी मेड यूजिंग अ फ्लो चार्ट और अ वेब डायग्राम. द स्टडी स्किल्स इन्वॉल्व इज first storing, second summarizing, third retrieving, and fourth gathering. So friend, correct answer is second will be right answer, summarizing. Okay, next question. When reading to decode means to first make notes, b second read superficially for the general meaning, third recognize word to understand their meanings, fourth replace long words with symbol. Friend, when reading to decode means to third will be right answer, recognize word to understand their meaning. Okay, third will be right answer. Next question. While writing, one of the cohesive devices used is first content word, second preposition, third imaginary, and four ellipsis. Friend, while writing, one of the cohesive devices used is the cohesive devices used, second will be right answer, preposition. Okay, next question. Rahul received the following telegram on his birthday. Write three statements about it. The input is given. This writing task requires this skill. First, creating. Second, analyzing. Third, knowing. And four, applying. To friend, right answer is फर्स्ट विल बी करेक्ट आंसर क्रिएटिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. यूज ऑफ डायलॉग एंड अवॉइडिंग अननेसेसरी डिटेल्स पैटर्न टू. फर्स्ट, राइटिंग अ रिपोर्ट और स्टोरी. सेकेंड, लिसनिंग टू अ कन्वर्सेशन. थर्ड, रिपोर्ट्स. एंड फोर्थ, स्टोरी टेलिंग. फ्रेंड, यूज ऑफ डायलॉग एंड अवॉइडिंग अननेसेसरी डिटेल्स पैटर्न टू. थर्ड विल बी राइट आंसर, रिपोर्ट्स. ओके, next question. The purpose of rapid reading is first for interest, second for specific details, third extended reading, and fourth seeking information. So friend, the purpose of rapid reading is 4 will be right answer, seeking information. Okay, next question. Note taking is done first during a lecture, second while reading a review, third during extensive reference work, and fourth while writing an essay. When note taking is done, so note taking is done is first will be right answer during a lecture. Okay, आगे देखेंगे फ्रेंड. अगला क्वेश्चन है. In the word scares, the phonetic transcription for A is. In the phonetic transcription, A is first O, second A, E, and body A. So friend, in the word scares, the phonetic transcription for a O is. तो वर्ड जो है इसमें फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन देखना है फ्रेंड कि कौन सा इसमें फोनेटिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन है. तो ई फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. रिट्राइवल स्किल्स इन राइटिंग आर. रिट्राइवल स्किल्स इन राइटिंग आर. फर्स्ट, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इंफॉर्मेशन while reading listening. Second, note making and note taking. Third, diagramming and summarizing. And fourth, ability to do extensive reference work. तो friend, retrieval skills in writing are तो फर्स्ट, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इंफॉर्मेशन वाइल रीडिंग लिसनिंग. सेकेंड, नोट मेकिंग एंड नोट टेकिंग. थर्ड, डायग्रामिंग एंड समराइजिंग. एंड फोर्थ, एबिलिटी टू एक्सटेंसिव रेफरेंस वर्क. फ्रेंड, राइट आंसर दिस थर्ड विल बी करेक्ट आंसर, डायग्रामिंग एंड समराइजिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे फ्रेंड. रिस्पेक्टिव लैंग्वेज स्किल्स आर. रिस्पेक्टिव लैंग्वेज स्किल्स आर. फर्स्ट, बीइंग एबल टू सेल्फ करेक्ट while using language. Second, using grammatical structure accurately. Third, writing in range of styles. And fourth, listening and reading for information. Friend, descriptive language skills are correct answer. 4 will be right answer, listening and reading for information. Listening and reading for information, respective language skills. Okay, 4 will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. The two skills required to take notes effectively are first, writing fluently using conjunctions. Second, using symbols and abbreviations instead of words. Third, rewriting a text using your own words. Fourth, writing legible with correct punctuation. So friend, the two skills required to take notes effectively are text notes effectively. Second will be right answer, using symbols and abbreviation instead of words. Second will be right answer. Okay, next question देखेंगे. The interactional routine during speaking assessment include first, comparing two or more object place events for the assessor. Second, negotiating, meaning taking turns and allowing other to take turns. Third, describing one school and its environs informally. And fourth, telephone conversation with other. Friend, right answer is second. Negotiating meanings taking turns and allowing other to take turns. Second will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. While writing ellipsis is a first, phrasal verb. Second, semantic linker. Third, adjectively form. And fourth, prepositional phrase. Friend, while writing ellipsis is a. While writing ellipsis is a. Right answer is semantic linker. B will be right answer. Second will be right answer, semantic linker. Okay, next question देखेंगे. इस A searching reading at class 7 can be done most effectively through a first writing a 50 words book text review as a small project, second spoken quiz based on the meanings of word and expression, third written test based the characteristics and event in the story text, and fourth an oral interview to find out how much they have read. तो फ्रेंड असेसिंग रीडिंग जो होता है वो क्लास 7 के लिए कैन बी डन मोस्ट इफेक्टली थ्रू अ, तो राइट आंसर इज फ्रेंड की राइटिंग अ वर्ड 50 वर्ड्स बुक टेक्स्ट रिव्यू एज ए स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. एन एक्सरसाइज वेयर वर्ड्स आर लेफ्ट out of a shorter passage and the pupil must fill in the blank with suitable words based on her reading accesses her ability to. An exercises where words are left out of a shorter passage and the pupil must fill in the blanks with suitable words based on her reading accesses her ability to. First comprehend, second use new word, third summarizes, and fourth spell words. तो राइट आंसर इज फ्रेंड राइट आंसर इज फर्स्ट कंप्रीहेंड. ओके फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन creating or retrieving what the creating or retrieving what the student want to say that want creating or retrieving what the student want to say then generating a suitable text to say it are stages of the fill in the blanks process. First listening, second writing, third speaking, fourth creative. When creating or retrieving what the student want to say then generating a suitable text to say it are stages of the fill in the blanks process. Right answer is second writing process. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. यूज़ ऑफ ग्रामर पंक्चुएशन एंड स्पेलिंग पैटर्न्स टू फर्स्ट टेक्स्ट प्रोडक्शन वाइल राइटिंग, सेकेंड फॉर्मल स्पीच, थर्ड लिसनिंग टू ए लेक्चर, फोर इनफॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन. तो फ्रेंड यूज़ ऑफ ग्रामर पंक्चुएशन एंड स्पेलिंग पैटर्न्स टू फर्स्ट विल बी राइट आंसर टेक्स्ट प्रोडक्शन वाइल राइटिंग. करेक्ट ऑप्शन फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. अ टेक्स्ट दैट रिक्वायर्स स्टूडेंट टू स्कैन इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड एनालिसिस द राइटर मैसेज एंड पर्पज कुड बी. फर्स्ट एन encyclopedic extract, second an newspaper headline, third a set of instruction to assemble a device, four a poem. A text that requires students to scan in order to understand and analysis the writer message and purpose could be. Right answer is A will be correct answer and encyclopedic extract first will be right answer. Next question देखेंगे. While drafting a notice student may be instructed to use fill in the blanks language. First direct, second integer, third descriptive, and fourth elaborate. तो friend while drafting a notice student may be instructed to use language is friend right answer is first direct language. Okay first will be correct answer. Next question देखेंगे. To develop a resource box for class first teachers, give 3 instructions to each students regarding the items which are to be put in it, that is puppets, piece of colored fabric, brushes, stencils, color, pencil, small toys. Student follow instruction. The activities is first listening with concentration for specific information needed for a task. Second, stage in a listening sessions when a listener complete a task. Third, listening to natural conversation between teachers and student. Fourth, listening to a speech which is semi scripted. To friend, to develop a resource box for class first teacher, give 3 instruction to each student regarding the items which are to be put in it, that is puppets, piece of colored fabric, brushes, stencils, color, pencil, small toys, etc. Student follow instruction. The activities is third will be right answer, listening to natural conversation between teacher and student. Okay third will be right answer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, व्हेन दे इनकाउंटर अनफैमिलियर वर्ड्स ड्यूरिंग अ रीडिंग एक्टिविटीज स्टूडेंट्स शुड बी ट्रेंड टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स while processing the meaning of the whole text. First, use information in its context to correctly gauge its rough area of meaning. Second, choose more simply text. Third, refer to a dictionary to find out the meaning immediately. And four, ask the teacher or neighborhood. So friend, right answer is कि when they encounter unfamiliar words during a reading activities, students should be trained to fill in the blanks while processing the meaning of whole text. Third will be right answer, refer to a dictionary to find out the meaning immediately. Third will be correct answer. Okay, आगे देखेंगे next question. Next question is, the teacher and student discuss a topic and the former starts the conversation by asking a question. Then the students respond by giving example and explanation. The speaking assessment here is to grade how well students. So friend, the teacher and student discuss a topic and former start the conversation by asking a question. Then the student respond by giving example and explanation. The speaking assessment here is to grade how well student. First, speak fluently and creatively. Second, process information and response appropriately. Third, express themselves. Fourth, response in an appropriate tone and express themselves fluently and accurately. To friend, right answer is second will be correct answer, process information and respond appropriately. Okay, next and last question, one of the sub skills that is asserted for speaking is, friend, one of the sub skills that is asserted for speaking is first, understanding and responding in a paragraph to literary work. Second, using appropriate volume, clarity and gesture in individual or group situation. Third, spelling common fluently uses used word correctly. Fourth, listening actively and responding to others in small and large group situations. So second will be right answer, using appropriately volume, clarity and gesture in individual or group situations. Second will be right answer. Okay, thank you friends.